So what is VPN? Virtual Private Network. Correct? We have virtual private network. Why we need VPN? Why we need VPN? The answer is so that we can connect two different sites over an unsecured network, which is your internet, with the help of, where is that? With the help of certain algorithms which provides us confidentiality and integrity. Many other things are there, but as if now these two. Okay. Now, so can I write one more line? To secure the data transmission between the branches over the internet, we use VPNs. The data is sent, it's now fine. The data is sent in the form of, so that only the desired party can understand. Okay, understand it. At the same time, it is also ensured that it does not get altered in transit. I hope this line makes sense to everyone. This is the exact definition why we require a VPN. VPN is to secure the data transmission between the branches over the internet. We require the VPN. What it does, the data is sent in a form so that only the desired party can understand. That means we're going to use certain algorithm to do the encryption, and the other party can only do the de-encryption with the help of the keys. At the same time, it also ensures that it does not get altered in transit. That means the first line, I'm talking about the confidentiality, and the second line, I'm talking about the integrity. And how are we going to achieve the confidentiality? Confidentiality will be achieved with the help of encryption. What are the different algorithms are there? AES, DES, 3DES, Blowfish, many other things are there. How are we going to achieve the integrity? Integrity will be achieved with the help of hashing. What are the algorithms we do have? MD5, we have SHA, we have SHA-2, and so on and so forth. Now, categories in the VPN. So the VPN can be categorized, okay, in many types based on the solution, implementation, or the kind of a requirements we do have. So what we gonna do, we're gonna categorize the VPN on the basis of two. First, based on the layered approach of OSI layer, based on the layered approach of OSI or your TCP IP suite. Second, I'm gonna do it on the based on protocols. Okay, two things are there. So let's do first on the basis of VPN. I'll say like this: VPN based on layered approach of OSI layer model. Let's do that. Now, what I mean by that, I believe till now what is VPN is clear. What is VPN? It's a virtual private network. Why we require VPN? To connect two branches to achieve the confidentiality as well as integrity. How we do achieve them? There are multiple algorithms are there. The VPN is basically being categorized on the basis of two, based on protocols as well as based on the layered model architecture. So I'm first going with what? VPN based on layered approach of the ASI. So at layer 1, right, which is your physical layer, overlay VPN we have. Now what I mean by that, let's understand. Here at layer 1, what we can do to secure the two sites at layer 1, the solution is we can go with lease lines. Heard about it? Lease lines. Lease lines are secure. Lease lines are secure, but very expensive, right? But very expensive. So those companies who doesn't have the capital or the capex or as well as opex constraint, that generally go with the lease line at the layer 1, so that they can have point-to-point connectivity, but it's very expensive, but it's totally secure. So these are what? These are dedicated connections between the two branches. I'll say like this: between the two branches, which provides the reliable link, which is not, sorry for typos, which is not shared with anyone else. It's a dedicated line. Okay. Now, examples are in this. I don't know whether you heard about this or not. There are T1 lines, T3 lines, or European standard is also there, E1 lines as well as E3 lines. So these are your layer 1 kind of VPN. Okay, let's go to layer 2 VPN. Overlay VPNs. So the solution is, so when we want to connect our branches using a multi-access network, we use frame relay. Heard about this, I believe everyone, frame relay. It is a protocol standard, right, which provides us a multi-access network functionality as well as a secure transmission channel. Okay,